Hi guys, my name is Sophia Demand. Welcome to my channel again. Today we are in a village in Onipa, which is Okanenge village, and I'm just going to show you how to harvest beans. That's what we are having for lunch today. So I'm just going to collect the things that I need. This year we have so much rain and we have so much bean. So I'm just going to collect the basket and then I'll show you how to harvest beans. Come with me. So now I'm in the field and just collecting some beans. As you can see, we have a lot of bamba harvester. Just look at my basket there. We have a lot of beans, and these are the red beans. We are just eating them fresh. Now we have arrived at home, so we are going to cook. We just need to use salt, and then I put salt on top of the beans. Then I put in the fire. Then in 40 minutes to 50 minutes it will be done using firewood. So I will just pour this much of salt because it needs more salt. Yes, amazing. Okay, we're done. This one finish until we get the food. Guys, the beans are ready now. I just took them from the fire. So I'm going to enjoy these beans. They're so yummy. Very tasty and organic. So if you're still watching, please subscribe and become part of this family so that you can see more of my content. And like, share and comment on what you think about this video. Thank you.